Good morning. Now children, we'll be learning about antonyms. Antonyms means opposites or words which are different from each other. Okay, opposites or different words. A-N-T-O-N-Y-M-S. Antonyms. Now children, look here. Up, down, opposite. That's why I just put a cross for you to understand. Sad, happy. Smile, opposite is frown. Pull, push. So these are examples of antonyms. Antonyms means opposites or different words. And remember children, these crosses, what I am just showing you is just for you to understand the opposites. Whenever we write, we always write up, down. You should only remember to read the instructions clearly. Like, is it a synonym or an antonym? Now there are more examples I will show you. Now children, I was talking about antonyms, so opposites. You can see in how you can draw in a picture something inside the cage. So who's inside the cage? The bird is in the cage. And what is the opposite? Out. The bird has been freed. It's out of the cage. Now up and down, you know. Top of the slide, top, opposite is bottom. Same way, you can see over. You can see the aeroplane flying over the bridge. This is a bridge. And the ship is under the bridge. So these are antonyms. Okay, now more examples. On, off. Inside, outside. Before, after. Below, above. High, low. Fat, thin. Poor, rich. Careful, careless. Cool, warm. Dry, wet. Light, dark. Light, heavy. Now see, you can say light and dark means in terms of light. And this means in terms of weight. Light bag, heavy bag. Now here, there are many examples, children. You have to know how to draw this antonyms in terms of pictures. Go to sleep, wake up. Catch, throw. You can see throw, catch, opposites. Stop, red light. Go, green light. Pull and push, I already told you. Come, opposite is go, antonym. Put on, take off. Love, hate. Add, subtract. You have this in maths concept. Open the door, shut the door. So open and shut. Give a book or take a book. Begin means when you begin a race, end the race. All antonyms. Win, lose, when you lose or win competitions. Weep, smile. You can also say frown, smile. Cry, laugh. Buy, sell. Lend. Lend means when you give something to someone. Borrow means when you take from someone something. There are more examples. Next, far. Far from the house, and near, the man is standing. Many, few. Tall, short. You can also draw a tall coconut tree or a short plant. Much, little. Young, old. Thick. You can see the thickness and thin. Strong, weak. Full. Can you see the glass is empty, full, and here the glass is empty. These are different examples in pictures again. Hot, cold. Slow, fast. Upstairs, downstairs. You can see dwarf, short, adult man, giant. You see this boy, what he is doing is a bad boy. Bad, good. Day, night. Then sink. You can see sink, and this is floating. The cup is floating. Sink, float. Board means getting inside the bus. Alight means getting down. So children, I'll be sending you more examples in screenshot pictures. You just have to learn it during your holidays or vacations. Remember. Thank you.